Drilling holes for cables. The cables are run through structural wall members, studs, beams, etc., which must have opening in them to allow for their passage. In wood construction, cable holes can be drilled into structure wall members, but certain drilling rules must be followed as outlined in the NEC and other building and local codes. Holes for routing cables through wall studs can be drilled at any height in the center of the stud, on the wider side in the wall, but are generally located approximately 30 to 40 inches above the floor in each stud along the wall where they are needed. Side view of a 2 by 4 inches stud, wider side. The drilled hole should be no larger than 7/8 inch. Standard drill bit size can be smaller, but no smaller than 1/2 inch. The edge of the hole should be no closer than 1¼ inch from the edge of the stud. Drilled hole. Drilled 7/8 inch hole in the center of the 2 by 4 stud. 1/16 inch thick steel nail plate. If the edge of the hole is less than 1¼ inch from the edge of the stud, secure the cable in the hole with a 1/16 thick steel nail plate of the appropriate length. For holes greater than 7/8 inch in diameter, and if the edge of the hole is less than 1¼ inch from the edge of the stud, a steel nail plate must be used on both sides of the stud. Cable protected with a nail plate. If necessary, multiple holes can be drilled in the stud. A single stud can be drilled or bored to a width no greater than 60% of the stud width, and the hole should be no closer than 5/8 inch from the edge of the stud in non-load-bearing walls, and no greater than 40% of the stud width in load-bearing and exterior walls. Double studs in all walls can be drilled up to 60% of their width. If the edge of the hole is less than 1¼ inch from the edge of any stud, the cable must always be protected with a steel plate. In external or load-bearing walls, studs may have notches extending up to 25% of the stud width. And in non-load-bearing walls, studs may have notches extending up to 40% of the stud width. The cutout with the cable must be protected with a steel plate. The cutout must not be in the same place where the hole is drilled. When drilling the top and bottom wall plates, the same drilling rules apply as for studs. Hole were drilled in the top wall plate for cables. Holes in the ceiling beams, joists. In the ceiling beams, joists, holes may be drilled no larger than 1/3 of the beam, joist width, and at least 2 inches from the top and bottom of the joist to the edge of the hole. For multiple holes, the distance between the holes must be twice the diameter of the larger hole. The distance between these two holes must be twice the diameter of that larger hole. To drill a hole, maintain a distance of at least 6 inches from the end of the beam support point on its edges. For engineered beams, check the beam specifications for drilling holes in the beam. Holes drilled in the ceiling beams. When routing cables through metal studs, a snap-in sleeve must be used in each stud where the cable is installed.